wants to be heard, whether it's the beat of the mic. He feels so unlike everybody else, alone in spite of the fact that some people still think that they know him. But fuck him, he knows the code. It's not about the salary, it's all about reality. Making some noise, making a story, making sure his click stays up. That means when he puts it down, time's picking it up. Let's go. Anyway, he never really talks much, never misunderstands, but still leaving him starstruck. Humble through opportunities given despite the fact that maybe his judgment is together himself. Got a picture in his head, asking for someone's help. To get some respect, he's only focused on what he wrote. His will is beyond reach, and that would all unfold. The skill of an artist is 20% skill, 80% fear, be 100% clear. Cause Rodney was ill, who would've thought he'd be the one that set the Western flame? Could've heard him argue with the ghost